are going to do some practice based on reasoning. Okay, so the first question is, what is the 18th term of this series? 1, 2, 2, 3 times 3, 4 times 4, 5 times 5. And now you have to tell the 18th term of this series. Next one, find the missing term. So you have to do some sums, and you have to do some mathematical questions, mathematical solutions, by which you can get the product which will come in this corner of the PDF. Okay, this term you have to find out. Okay, so you see that first one is 2, 5, 9, 14 and 27. So which one should come this side? You have to find it out. Okay, the next question is, when a number is put in the machine below. So you see that there is a number machine and a different number comes out. It means whatever number you put in this way, it comes different number. If 9 goes in, 4 comes out. So you see, you have to tell you have to find out the correct relation between this and this, between this and this, between this and this, and when you will find the same mathematical formula between this and this. That same formula you will put on this, and then you will find the product which will come on this side. Okay, so in the next question, let me tell you all the questions so that you can take the screenshot of this. Okay, class, kindly take the screenshot. Okay, next one. Harsh makes some single digits number in the box shown below and write the fraction representing the total number of nines among the given numbers. So Harsh is a boy and he makes some single digits in the box shown below. So he has mixed different digits in this box. Write the fraction representing, you have to tell the fraction, what fraction it will be representing the total number of nines. Total number of nines. How many nines are there? You see that 1, 2, 3. You have to count it. You have to tell the fractions. It will be how many times the number 9 has come. Okay. Next, there are equal number of pens in each box. You see that there are many boxes are given. In these boxes, pens are in equal number. If there are 25 pens in 5 boxes, how many pens are there in all the 7 boxes? So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In these, among these, in the 5 boxes, 25 pens are there. It means every box has equal. It means that every box has 5 pens. Now you can count that how many pens are there in all boxes. Okay, next. Few carrots are standing in a row. Okay. Mother is at 20th position from the front. Like if I am making this series, so you see that where is mother? Mother is on 20th position. Okay, this is mother and he is on 20th position, and Ridhima is standing at the 12th position from the back. So from the back, if you see that on the 12th position, Ridhima is there. If Ridhima and mother interchange their position, if mother goes to the place of Ridhima and Ridhima comes back to the place of mother, their position, Ridhima becomes 18th from back. Now Ridhima becomes 18th. She was 12th when she was standing at the back, and now if we count the position of Ridhima, she is standing from the front at the point of 18. So now you have to count that how many cadets are there in the row altogether. Next, if A, you see that there is a design of there's a design of leaf, that means a plus b upon 2. What is the value of 2? Leaf in bracket 4 leaf 8. So you have to find out this. So first kindly solve the 5 questions, then you will solve question number 6, 7, 9, 10. Many questions are there. You have to just solve only 5 questions right now, and after telling 5 questions I will send you this PDF to solve in your WhatsApp so that you can solve it. Okay? Now just solve the first to 5. After 30 I will ask the answer. Class, have you taken the screenshot?
Yes, ma'am.
All the 5 questions you have? Class, take the screenshot right now. Okay, take the screenshot. I am telling you, please take the screenshot. Now third and fourth. Now third one only. Third one has been taken. Now this is fourth and fifth.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now solve it. Solve it now. Okay, so in the first, wait class. So you see in the first one the series was of 1 multiplied by 1, 2 multiplied by 2, 3 multiplied, it means 2 was 2 times, 3 was 3 times, 4 was 4 times, 5 was 5 times and 6 was 6 times. And you see that the 18th term was 6. Next one, the find the missing term. So who is going to tell me the answer? Aditya Dubey. Aditya Dubey, kindly tell me the answer of the second.
Ma'am, the answer is 20.
It is 20. Okay. And how? Reason?
Ma'am, because 5 minus 2 is 3.
Yes.
And 9 minus 2. And 9 minus 5 is 4.
Yes. Then
And
5.
15 minus 9 is 5. And 20 minus 14 is 6.
Very good. So you see class, when you add, okay class, very good. So when you add 3 with 2, it comes 5. When you add 4, it comes 9. When you add 5, it comes 14. So this time what you are going to add? You will add 6, so you will find 20. And if you will add here 7, so it will come 27. So the answer is 20. Now in the next one you see there is the machine, number machine. Okay, so who is going to tell me the answer? Shivendra Kumar. Shivendra Kumar, kindly tell me the answer. Beta, what is the answer? Answer is 9. How it comes?
And because 11 goes 6 come out, then 12 goes 7 come out. Then 13 goes 8 comes out, and 14 goes 9 comes out.
Yes, because there is the difference of 5 between the enter number and the output number. You see that 9 is entered and you see that the 5 has been less. 5 has been less. So you see that 4 comes. Now you see when you put 11 in this machine, it becomes less 5. Now you put 12, it becomes 5 less 5. So you see in this time again when you will put the 14, it will come 9 because it is less 5. Okay, next one. Very good. Okay, next one, who is going to tell me? Mayank Verma. Mayank Verma. I want the answer of question number 4. Mayank, are you there? He is not listening. Okay, Ankit Kumar Swain. Ankit Kumar Swain. Aditya Kumar Singh. Okay, Mayank, tell beta, what is the answer?
Question number 4.
Yes, yes, yes. You don't know? Aditya, you don't know? Sorry, Mayank, you don't know? Okay, let me solve it for you all. Okay, listen to me. Harsh mix some single digits in the box shown below. Write the fraction representing the total number of nines among the given numbers. So you see that you have to tell the fraction. It means x upon y you have to tell. Okay, x upon y. So how you will find the x upon y? It means you have to tell the numerator and denominator. So numerator is already done. Numerator has been told that nines. How many nines are there? You see that 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many are there? There are 5. And how many total number of in the box? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 32, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. How many there are? There are 42. So you see that this would be the fraction of nines among the given number. It was the very simplest.
42.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, the next question. There are equal number of pens in each box. So who is going to tell me the answer? Wait. Aditya Kumar Swain. Aditya Kumar Singh. Tell the answer. Aditya.
मैम मैं आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही।
मेरी आवाज आ रही है बेटा? Aditya. Aditya. Only Aditya will tell me the answer. Okay. Vivek.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell the answer.
Ma'am, there will be 35 pens because there are 5 pens in one box and multiplying 7 into 5, we will get 35 pens.
Very good, very good. So you see that there are 5 boxes in which 25 pens are there and it is divided equally. It is divided equally in the boxes. So you see that if it is divided equally, so first you will do the division. You will do the division from 5 into 25 and you will get the product 5. If you will get the product 5, you can multiply with 7 and you will get the product 35. So the answer is 35. So why this way you have done the 5 question of reasoning. So class, if these kind of questions come in your final exam, so you have to solve these reasoning question in your book. So I will send you this PDF in your class group. Okay, so that you can solve these questions on your own level. Yes, in the WhatsApp class.